Whether you're highly considering SpotOn POS for your restaurant or just gathering information to help you decide if SpotOn is a good fit for your business, here are a few things to consider. SpotOn is designed specifically for restaurants. It's a complete all-in-one platform. It combines the POS system, merchant services, loyalty program, online ordering, marketing tools, and the software that connects all together, all in one system. You get a super clean, intuitive, and easy-to-use interface that your staff can learn whether they're taking orders at the counter, at the table, or online. Online orders go straight to the kitchen already paid. No need to re-enter the orders. SpotOn handles it all without slowing anyone down. If you need to track inventory, manage employees, or set up custom menus, that's all built in. Plus real-time reporting so you know what's happening at your restaurant anytime, from anywhere, because SpotOn is fully cloud-based. It also comes with 24/7 customer support. Here at Calbiz, we're an authorized SpotOn POS dealer serving Los Angeles, Orange County, and Riverside. We don't just ship boxes. We come to your business to do a demo. We handle the installation and train your team so you're up and running fast. SpotOn is flexible, fast, and designed to make your restaurant flow more efficiently. And we're ready to help you set it up. If you have any questions, we're just a call away. And when you're ready for a demo, we'll come to your business and show you how it all works. Schedule your free demo today.